In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page to favorites bar in Microsoft Edge. First, open Microsoft Edge. Give the browser a moment to load, then navigate to the exact page you want to save. It's best to land on the specific article, product, or tool you'll want to return to later, rather than a home page, so your shortcut takes you exactly where you need to be. There are two quick ways to start adding the page. The fastest is to use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+D. This instantly opens a small panel titled Favorite Added. If you prefer clicking, look to the right side of the address bar for the star icon. Selecting that star opens the same panel. Both methods take you to the place where you confirm the details and choose where the favorite should live. Once the Favorite Added panel appears, you'll see the page name and the folder location. This is the important part if you want the favorite to show up directly on your toolbar. Open the Folder drop-down menu and choose Favorites bar. That folder is what powers the row of shortcuts you can see across the top of Edge just beneath the address bar. If you save the page to a different folder, the favorite will still be stored, but it won't be visible on the bar for one-click access. Take a second to verify the name looks clear and recognizable. Edge usually pulls the page title automatically, which is often fine, but a concise label makes it easier to spot later. When you're happy with the folder and name, click Done or Save to finalize. The button text may vary slightly depending on your Edge version, but it performs the same action. After saving, look at your Favorites bar. You should see the new shortcut appear there right away. If your bar is crowded, some items may be tucked into an overflow section, often shown as a small arrow at the end of the bar. Your new favorite will still be there. You can click the arrow to reveal the full list. That's all there is to it. Launch Edge, load the page you want, use Ctrl+D, or click the star to open the Favorite Added panel, pick Favorites bar from the folder menu, and confirm with Done or Save. With this approach, you can build a clean, reliable row of go-to links that keep your most used pages just one click away. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.